How to remove your profile picture on your TikTok account. So if you don't know how you can remove your profile picture on your TikTok account, this video right here is for you. And don't forget to watch this video from the start to the end so that you don't miss any point. Alright, so the first step you need to do is that go ahead and open your TikTok account, as you guys have seen how I've opened mine. So go ahead and open your TikTok account right here. So the first thing you need to do is that just come to your edit profile right here. So basically what you need to know is that TikTok will not allow you to remove your profile picture right here, but if you follow my steps, you can do it just in a simple steps. So what we need to do is that we are going to download a default photo from our Google browser so that we can come here and upload it. If you don't understand it, just keep calm and watch the video to the end. If you come to your TikTok profile right here, come to the edit profile right here, and what we need to do is that because of we can't just remove our profile picture right here, we have to go back to our Google Chrome browser and download the default profile photo and come here and then upload it. You understand? So let's go back to our Chrome browser. So if you come to Google Chrome browser, what you need to do is that go ahead and search for default profile photo. So if you search for this picture, come to images right here and download one of these images right here. So let me say I want to download this one. I'll just tap on it and download it. So if you finish downloading it, let's get back to our TikTok page and let me show you what you need to do next. So if you get back to your TikTok account, what you need to do is that you have to come here and upload the picture that you downloaded from your Google Chrome browser right here. So just click on the edits and click on select from gallery. Let's select the picture. So this is the default profile picture that we downloaded for our Google Chrome browser. So we have to just select it and click on the save button right here, and it will automatically save it for us. So as you guys can see, this is how it will look like. You understand? This is how it will look like. So anyone who visits our page on TikTok will not see that we have uploaded our profile picture right here, but the person will only see this one. So this is how you can simply remove your profile picture from your TikTok account in just a simple steps. Alright, so if this video helps you to do that, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.